Sinking and floating the hand. Slide the hands down. Bring them into the dantian. Step forward left and step forward right. Push the ball and come back. Open and close. Waving right. So single whip right. Part the curtain. Right foot comes in, goes out. Finish the sentence. Back to the center. Open. Close. Now brush knee to the right, which then will be followed with play the lute and follow step throughs. So brush knee, play the lute, step back, follow step. So left hand's in front, left foot in front. Adjust left. Step through right, adjust right, step through left. Two fist, follow step, punch. Step back right, follow step. Step forward, follow step. Back to the front, open. So brush knee to your right, follow step, play the lute, step back, follow step right foot. Adjust the right foot, step through, adjust, step through. Two fists, follow step, punch. Step back, follow step. Step forward, follow step. Back to the front. Open and close. Now we'll do our leisurely tying the coat. So get ready for brush knee left, follow step. Then circle the arms. Right hand goes down, left hand goes over the top. Step back, left brings left foot back. Up along midline, step forward left. Follow step, present the cookies. Step back, show the cookies. Drop the elbow, turn, 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 then turn the other way. Step forward and follow step, deliver. Back to the front. Open. Close. Now our brush knee, leisurely tying coat to the right. And brush knee, follow step. Turn the bicycle wheel, step back left, right goes over the top, step, follow step with the right. Up along midline, step forward, follow step. Step back, show the cookies. Drop the elbow down, turning towards the left. Then turn back to your 12 o'clock and step forward, follow step. Open and close. Waving hands left, step left, part the curtain, bring the left foot in, step out. Stepping in. Cross the wrist, weight shift left. Step back, weight shift back, press the wrists down. Float them up, foot comes back, release, but keep the palms connected.